A modular house, or a prefabricated home, is built in different sections, usually at a factory or warehouse, then transported to the home site. Once the units are reassembled, a modular home looks just like any other house. Modular homes are different from manufactured homes, which are also known as mobile homes. Mobile homes, as the name suggests, can be moved. Modular homes, once assembled and placed on a foundation, become permanent. You may be surprised to know that modular homes are not new conceptually. People have been living in them for a long time. They have proved to be tried and true alternatives to traditional houses. However, they have gained popularity recently because people are once again finding that they are a more convenient alternative to home building. There are different ways to deliver a modular home. Modular homes are often referred to as fully pre-assembled homes. The method used for delivering the house to a home site largely depends on the accessibility to the site. 1. Pre-assembled. The modular home is always built in sections and delivered to a home site by way of a crane or truck. Once each house section is finished, they are assembled into the final product and transported as a complete house. 2. Panelized. A modular home where the roof, walls, and floor are assembled in a factory and the home is constructed on-site is called a panelized home. Panelized homes are easier to build, but they take longer to build than modular homes. 3. Flat-packed. A flat-packed home is moved to a home site in pieces on a truck or shipping container. Flat-packed homes are the safest and easiest to deliver. Most flat-packed homes ship anywhere in the country, so you don't always have to buy from the local modular home manufacturer. You will find many modular home companies by searching online. There is a significant difference in the cost of modular homes versus building a traditional house. Since they are built in a factory, they can be built quickly and for far less money than a traditional house. Generally, the average home costs roughly $150 per square foot. In contrast, the average modular home could cost between $90 and $170 per square foot. A more customized and complex layout may cost more. Adding basic utilities like electrical and plumbing services can also add to the base price of your home. Pros of owning a modular home. 1. They can be customized. 2. Cheaper to build. 3. No home inspections are needed as it's done at the factory. 4. Shorter build times. 5. Built to be more energy efficient. 6. No weather-related building delays. 7. Built with environmentally friendly materials. Cons of owning a modular home. 1. You will still be required to purchase the land. 2. You cannot build on subdivision. 3. Not all modular home manufacturers are the same. You will need to research which company to choose. 4. You may need a construction loan to finance the modular home. 5. You will have to build a foundation, incorporate plumbing, electrical, and sewage on site. One of the top questions potential buyers of modular homes have is whether they will lose home value through depreciation. Modular homes do not depreciate, instead, they appraise the same as their traditional counterparts. The best feature of modular homes is that they come with building warranties. If you purchase a modular home from any of the best modular home builders, you will receive a building warranty much like that of any other newly built house. The warranty will cover all of the home's features like electrical, mechanical, plumbing, and structural components. Make sure you discuss these details with the modular home builder.